20 seconds to crunchy bliss. Slice a tortilla into neat triangles. Brush with olive oil. Shower in parmesan. Dust with smoky paprika. 8 minutes at 200. Let the oven work. Out comes pure crisp magic.
Sweet, crispy banana chips in 15 seconds. Here we go. Slice ripe bananas into thin rounds. Dust with cinnamon and a drizzle of honey. Bake on a sheet at 350-degree heat until crisp. Grab a bite and follow for more quick treats. Pepperoni slices, a pinch of mozzarella, and Italian seasoning. Air fry at 400 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes till bubbly and crisp. Snap, then dip in marinara. Grapes, lime juice, and chili lime seasoning. Toss, then freeze 1 hour. They taste like spicy candy, sweet, tart, icy. Grab one and crunch. Grapes, lime juice, and chili lime seasoning. Toss, then freeze 1 hour. They taste like spicy candy, sweet, tart, icy. Grab one and crunch. Two eggs, cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, salt and pepper. Whisk in a mug, then microwave 60 to 75 seconds till fluffy. Top with basil, dig in for the cheese pull. Follow 20-sec snacks.
Quick clean snack 01, hot honey, plus peanut butter toast. Toast, spread peanut butter. Drizzle hot honey. Finish with flaky salt. Rated 9, 10. Would you try?
Okay, hear me out. Peanut butter, pot, honey, step, spread, thick, PB, drizzle, hot, honey, pinch of salt. Okay, hear me out. Peanut butter, pot, honey, step, spread, thick, PB, drizzle, hot, honey, pinch of salt. Okay, hear me out. Peanut butter, pot, honey, step, spread, thick, PB, drizzle, hot, honey, pinch of salt. Okay, hear me out. Peanut butter, pot, honey, step, spread, thick, PB, drizzle, hot, honey, pinch of salt. Okay, hear me out. Peanut butter, pot, honey, step, spread, thick, PB, drizzle, hot, honey, pinch of salt. Okay, hear me out. Peanut butter, pot, honey, step, spread, thick, PB, drizzle, hot, honey, pinch of salt. Okay, hear me out. Peanut butter, pot, honey.
Parmesan in a pan cook till golden, about 2 to 3 minutes. Fold into a shell, let it crisp. Fill with taco stuff. 1 bite, loud crunch. Salsa swoosh. Cottage cheese, marinara, mozzarella, pepperoni. Microwave 60 to 90 seconds till bubbly. Stir once if needed. Scoop it. Pizza vibes. Crazy protein. 0 effort. 20-sec. Snacks. Follow and subscribe. Dry a big pickle. Wrap it in cheese. Add turkey if you want. Air fry at 400 for 6 to 8 minutes. Slice it. Hear that crunch. Dip, repeat. 20-sec snacks. follow, and subscribe. Butter a tortilla, cinnamon sugar, pinch of salt. Cut triangles. Air fry 350 for 4 to 6 minutes. Mix cream cheese and honey. Now crack, dip, and try to stop. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Greek yogurt plus a drizzle of honey. Spread it, add berries and granola. Freeze 2 to 3 hours, then crack it. Clean snap, creamy bite. That's it. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Pit a date, stuff it with peanut butter. Dip in melted chocolate, flaky salt on top. Chill 10 minutes to set. Bite in, chewy, sweet, salty, unreal. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Parmesan pickle chips in 15 seconds. Dry your pickle slices, press into parmesan, and air fry till golden. Dip in ranch, and listen to that snap. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Everything bagel cheese crisps. Little cheese piles. A heavy shake of everything seasoning. Air fry till lacy and golden. And snap. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Garlic parm pizza crisps. Season your cheese piles. Microwave till bubbly. Let them set and snap. Easy and dangerously good. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Cheese taco bowl. Melt cheese into a lacy round. Shape it. Fill it with taco fixings. Then crack that crispy rim. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Hopper cheese wrap with garlic ranch. Roll the filling into a cheese sheet. Air fry till golden. Dip, big cling, and snap. Follow 20-sec snacks. Jalapeño popper cheese wrap. Roll cream cheese, jalapeno, and bacon into a cheese sheet. Air fry till golden. Dip in ranch. Snap. 20-sec snacks. Subscribe. Spicy Parmesan pickle chips. Parmesan coat, a little paprika and cayenne. Air fry till crisp. Dip in something cool. Snap. Subscribe 20-sec snacks. Spicy everything cheese crisps. Cheese piles, everything seasoning, a pinch of chili flakes. Air fry till lacy and golden. Snap test. Subscribe 20-sec snacks. Snickers-style dates. Peanut butter inside, dip in chocolate, flaky salt, and snap. Follow 20-sec snacks for more fast snacks. Rice paper chips. Season air fry till they puff, dip in chili lime. Snap. Follow 20-sec snacks for more fast snacks. Pizza cheese crisps. Microwave till it bubbles, wait a second to set, then crack. Bubble, set, crack. Repeat. Parmesan pickle chips. Stack test. Air fry them till crisp. Stack them up and snap. That crunch is crazy. Follow 20-sec snacks for more fast snacks. Greek yogurt bark. Spread, top, freeze, and crack test. Follow 20-sec snacks. Hot honey pizza bowl. Cottage cheese, marinara, seasoning, mozzarella and pepperoni. Microwave till it bubbles. Drizzle hot honey. Melt test. Follow 20-sec. Snacks for more fast snacks. Frozen strawberry yogurt bites. Dip, freeze, then chocolate dip. Snap. That crack is perfect. Follow 20-sec snacks for more fast snacks. Onigiri-style snack. Press rice, add tuna mayo, wrap with nori. Snap for the reveal. Follow 20 sec snacks.